30 ounces dough because the machine will cut and divide them round in 30 pieces, so we're gonna have 1 ounce each one. Spread the dough out, a little bit of flour. This control panel has 3 things to set: the pressing, the rounding, and the weight pair. Pressing, it means how many seconds the machine needs to press to spread the dough out. Rounding, it means how many seconds the machine has to round to get a perfect shape. And weight pair, it means how low or high I want to keep the room for any single dough balls, because the machine has a range of a minimum and maximum from 1 to 3 ounces each one. So if I put this one on 0.5, it means I'm going to get the 1 ounce dough ball, as we're going to have, or if I go up, I can have at maximum 3 ounces each one.